The most toughest, most hardest, and the most adorable plant in my garden, Ficus triangularis. I have shared various videos on triangularis and also attained good feedback from my viewers in India and abroad. However, I'm back again with my triangularis with new informations and another species of ficus having elongated leaves that is beside the plant. Leaf fall is the common problem of triangularis, but don't worry friends, we can solve it. Leaves were scarce but didn't fall in my case, or I could show you. Anyways, let's follow some conditions for this plant. First, use fertile, well-drained porous soil. Second, keep plant under filtered sunlight or moderate sunlight. The plant is a humid growing plant, loves moisture content in atmosphere. Thirdly, leaf fall happens due to infrequent watering. For triangularis plant, do not skip watering. But if you find soil is wet, don't water the soil, but give a splash to the leaves. You should know this is the same for all humid living plants. We have to provide humidity and coolness to the plant and leaves if your city weather cannot suffice the plant. As in Calathea, Stromanthe, Tibucina, blah blah blah. Now fourthly, I would like to say, when we will find the plant is dropping its leaves due to weather change, it's not a problem, but large green leaf drop is to be sorted out. In that case, you have to understand why. Maybe plastic pot, maybe overwatering, maybe lack of fertilizer. Lastly, maybe due to placement of your pot. However, triangularis is hard to understand, but once you tackle the plant, it will be the best amongst all. Another ficus plant in black plastic pot, probably starlight ficus. Exactly पता नहीं मुझे, आप कोई अगर confirmed हो तो बताइए. Compared to triangularis, this is much easy and manageable plant. Every plant have their own nature and characteristics. I have not yet shifted the plant from nursery pot. I bought it last December, just 4 months in my garden. The plant is in the nursery soil, will repot in June. Will let the plant to flourish these days on rain shower. I have experienced that repot or make cuttings of plants when it has its own particular time of growth. If you want a healthy plant, focus much on soil and infestation. For this plant, I have used 1 part garden soil, 1 part coarse river sand, 1 part leaf compost, 1 part charcoal crush, 1 part compost prepared in my garden. All mixed together and added half spoon fungicide, 1 handful neem extract. After your plant settles and adjust to your garden, then only apply fertilizer, maybe after 6 or 8 months. I have added fertilizer after 1 year, and in between I had added some amount of vermicompost. That's all. You can add vermicompost or bone meal. Later, add DAP, potash, SSP, Epsom salt, all equal amount mixed together, only 1 spoon, not full scoop. Right now, spraying neem oil mixed with soap water. The dosage is 5 ml in 5 liter water. There is no infestation on the leaves and plant. Still, I spray neem oil every after 20 days or 15 days. To all plants, either it's infected or not. You too follow the same routine and have healthy plant in your garden. The winter flower petunia are still blooming, not much, but some of them flower every day. If I fertilize and care them, they will flower until July-August. Do not spray insecticide for consecutive days if the plant is not infected. But when hibiscus plant has profuse mealybug attack, only 1 day spraying will not work. In that case, apply the spray for 3 consecutive days and do not increase the proportion by mistake. ऐसा नहीं कि ज्यादा मेडिसिन ले तो जल्दी काम करेंगे. आप ज्यादा मात्रा में डालेंगे तो आपकी प्लांट जल जाएंगे. These are tangleheart plants at the base. The base looks empty, so wherever I find space on pot, I grow sedum and tangleheart. So friends, hope I could share all aspects on triangularis. I can only say if your city weather is too dry and arid, leaves will be scarce right now. Let monsoon begin, the plant will show much foliage. You need not keep a humidifier. Simply splash water 2 or 3 times and keep plant under plant colony. If your plant is 1 year old and above, then apply fertilizer as stated. I am sure you will have a healthy plant. Added, if you have any unusual problem of the plant, you can send me your clear plant picture and city weather on Instagram. I can help you out. Link will be attached. After applying neem oil, the plant is looking more bright and glowing. Showed you from all around? You know, sometimes we should let plants grow on their own without bothering, and the best example is my succulents growing in my garden. I really didn't know that succulents can withstand rain, sunlight, weather fluctuations. Very soon I will show you my succulents. I am a novice on succulent, I admit honestly. However, I will upload on succulents. You just stay connected with my channel and watch other videos. Hope this episode will help you to grow Triangularis. Friends, it's very drastic and worse condition in India regarding pandemic COVID-19. People are dying around my area and in my city. Gardening and flora will help to be positive in life. That's all for today, friends. Subscribe my channel and please do comment if you have liked or disliked the video. Love from Garden Hill. Bye bye. Thanks for staying until end.